Hello everyone. Today something touched my heart deeply. I saw a dog with one injured leg limping quietly through the street. He was not barking or seeking attention, just sitting alone in a corner, dry, dusty, and silent. There was a sadness in his eyes, like he had seen more pain than most of us ever will. I walked toward him slowly, unsure if he would react. But when I reached out my hand, he did not flinch. He just looked at me, like he wanted to trust again just one more time. I gently stroked his head and he let me. That small moment felt like a connection, no words, just understanding. I took him to a quiet field nearby. There I placed a small bowl on a wall, tore some soft bread into a poured warm milk. The moment he saw it, he rushed forward and began eating like he has not tasted food in days. Watching him eat so fast, so desperately, it broke something in me. I kept pitying him while he drank. He did not move away. He stayed close, calm, like he finally felt safe. After he finished, he looked up at me with eyes full of emotion. It was not just hunger, it was years of neglect, fear, and maybe a little bit of hope. And in that moment, I understood something simple. Sometimes all a hurting soul needs is a little kindness, a bowl of milk, a soft hand, and someone who stops to care. He was not just a dog, he was a life, a lesson, a reminder that love does not have to be loud. Sometimes it's silent and soft and still life changing. After he finished drinking, I just sat there beside him in silence. Sometimes I stroked his head, sometimes he rested in gently on my lap, like he was saying, I feel safe now. There was a calm in his eyes, a peace he may not have felt in years. We did not say anything, but everything was understood. He stayed close and kept holding him with quiet love. That simple touch, it meant the world to him. Sometimes all it takes is a little kindness, a warm hand, and gentle presence, and it can heal a heart that's been hurting for far too long. If this moment touched you, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on TikTok, and like my page on Facebook. Your one small action might help save another soul. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching this video. Your time and love mean the world to us. Thank you everyone.